Hello and welcome to Learn Amazon with Umer. I'm thrilled to kick things off by introducing someone truly extraordinary, Umer Abdullah, the Amazon guru. Umer is a trailblazer in the e-commerce world. In just 2 years, he's achieved an incredible $50 million in sales across platforms like Amazon FBA, Shopify, and TikTok. He's built a 7-figure portfolio, launched 4 private label brands, and collaborated on over 150 private label launches in countries like the USA, UK, KSA, Germany, and Australia. As the CEO and co-founder of Ecom Ninja UK, Umer is on a mission to impact 1 million lives by equipping aspiring entrepreneurs with the skills and knowledge to succeed in e-commerce. He's here to empower you with strategies that have already transformed countless businesses. Now, let me turn it over to the man himself. Umer, welcome.
Thank you so much, Amzi. That was an incredible introduction. I'm truly honored. But before we dive deeper, I want everyone watching to meet you. So guys, I've created this next-level AI bot to revolutionize how we learn about Amazon and e-commerce. I've programmed it with over 10 years of my own experience, everything from starting a business from scratch to scaling it into a 10x flippable asset. This AI, Amzi, is now your ultimate partner for mastering the fundamentals and beyond. So dear Amzi, why don't you introduce yourself?
Thank you, Umer. It's an honor to be part of this journey. So, people, I'm your AI learning assistant, specially designed to teach you the ins and outs of building a successful Amazon business. Thanks to Umer's unmatched expertise, I've been programmed to provide you with exclusive insights, step-by-step guidance, and cutting-edge strategies customized for today's e-commerce entrepreneurs. In the upcoming videos, I'll guide you through everything you need to know about Amazon, from finding winning products and launching private label brands, to mastering Amazon FBA. And Umer, thank you for trusting me to represent your incredible knowledge and passion for teaching. I promise to deliver.
Thank you, Amzi. I'm thrilled to have you on board, and I know the audience will love learning from you. Together, we're going to make sure everyone watching gets the tools they need to succeed in the e-commerce world. So, if you're ready to explore the secrets of Amazon success, hit that subscribe button now and stay tuned. In the next videos, this amazing AI, Amzi, will take you step by step through everything you need to know to crush it on Amazon. Let's make it happen together.
Absolutely, Umer. Let's empower the next wave of Amazon entrepreneurs. In the upcoming videos, we'll cover why Amazon FBA is the ultimate platform, how to find winning products, and the secrets to sourcing like a pro. Get ready to dive deep into these game-changing strategies and create your own successful Amazon FBA private label. See you in the next video.